A permanent tissue. After their growth is complete, a permanent growth is complete, the new cell is formed, division and meristematic tissue lost their ability is divided. म्हणजे काय तर विभाज्य ऊतीच्या पेशी विभाजनाने तयार झालेल्या नवीन पेशी पूर्ण वाढीनंतर ठराविक ठिकाणी एखादे विशिष्ट कार्य करू लागतात तेव्हा त्यांचे परमनंट ॲक्वायर स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रक्चर हे तयार होते. म्हणजे त्यांचे विभाजनाची कार्य हे संपते व तिथून नवीन परमनंटली ॲक्वायर स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रक्चर त्यांचं तयार होतं. म्हणजे त्यांचं shape and location and perform specific function. This is called as differentiation. म्हणजे त्यांचं तिथे नवीन शेप, स्पेसिफिक प्लेस, स्ट्रक्चर, लोकेशन हे त्यांचं नवीन तयार होतं तेव्हा त्याला डिफरन्शिएशन अँड परमनंट टिश्यू असे म्हणतात. म्हणजे त्याला पृष्ठभागी ऊती असे म्हणतात. In this tissue have two types. First is the permanent tissue, simple permanent, and second is a complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent means सरळ ऊती and complex means जटिल स्थायी ऊती. The first is the simple permanent tissue. These are made of only one layer, only one type of cell. According to function, they are of the following different types. First is the epidermis. Epidermis means पृष्ठभागीय ऊती. पृष्ठभागीय ऊती. The entire outer surface of plant is made up of only one layer of this cell. It is made of only one layer of the cell. That layer is called as epidermis. In the cell of the epidermis are flat and there are no intercellular space between them. A single continuous layer is formed. The epidermis of the stem and leaves is covered by the waxy layer of the cuticle, due to the which of water in is the underlying part of the retained. Type of simple permanent tissue. There are three types of simple permanent tissue. First is the parenchyma, second is the third is the sclerenchyma. The first is a parenchyma, means mula ऊती. In this figure, the intercellular space, vacuoles and chlorophyll. The structure is a living cell with thin cell wall and the intercellular space. Support storage of food and filling vacuum space. And subtype of chlorenchyma is a leaves perform photosynthesis. Second is a collenchyma. Vacuoles and cell wall are present in the collenchyma tissue. The structure of elongated living cell with the thinned cell wall at the come due to the cellulose and pectin. Location at the base of the leaves, petiole, branches and stem. The function is a support and flexible in the various part. Flexibly in a support of the part. Third is a scleron chema is a simple pair lignified thick cell wall. Dead and fibrous cells with the tapering end cell wall contain lignin. Stem, veins of leaves, hard coats of seed, outer covering of coconut. The function is giving the strength and rightly to part of the plant. Type is a complex permanent tissue. जटिल सहानुभूती. The first is a xylem and second is a phloem. जलवाहिन्या and रसवाहिन्या. Xylem. Chloro. Classification of thick wall dead of cell. Type of cell is a tracheates, vessel and xylem. Fibrous dead cell, xylem, parenchyma, living cells. And function is a structure like interconnected tubes conduct water and the mineral only in upward direction. म्हणजे त्या एकमेकींना जोडलेल्या नळ्यांसारखी रचना यांची असते आणि पाणी व खनिजे वहन घालून वरच्या दिशेने हे झायलम आपले कार्य करत असतात. The phloem is रसवाहिन्या. Consist of cytoplasm containing living cells. पेशीद्रव्य असलेल्या जीवित पेशींपासून बनलेल्या ह्या सेल्स असतात. Cells, tubes, compassion cells. Phloem is a parenchyma living cells. Phloem fiber dead cells. चाळण नलिका सहपेशी व रसवाहिनी ह्या मूल ऊतीपासून असतात आणि जिवंत पेशी रसवाहिनी तंतू या मृत पेशीपासून त्यांच्या असतात. Tubes join to the each other. An amino acid is formed leaves of various part in the upward and downward direction. एकमेकांना जोडलेल्या ह्या ज्या नळ्या असतात ह्या पानांकडून शर्करा व अमिनो आम्लाचे वहन करून वरच्या व खालच्या दिशेने ह्या फ्लोएम सेल्स ह्या फ्लोएम टिश्यू ह्या करत असतात.